Coppice Napanee was founded in the year 1876. It has never stopped production to this day, and that makes us the longest continuously operating woodworking company in America. We specialize in custom interior kitchens, and the interesting thing about that is we build every single aspect of the cabinet. Everything is done in-house. We don't outsource any of our parts, so we're definitely proud of that. That gives us quite a bit of flexibility. What sets us apart from the competition is our quality. We build a full hardwood cabinet that meets standards unlike anybody else in the industry. We usually take a product and say, how can we beef it up and make it Coppice? What led up to making the decision to upgrade our equipment was the fact that what was here at Coppice Napanee was just outdated and quite dangerous. We were slow, man hours were high, and we're like, we have to change our game. And so did some research on what we wanted to do, and sanding was definitely an area that we wanted to improve. A lot of man hours in sanding, and so I had a friend of mine recommend, check out Styles, check out HOMAG, and the search began, and the search didn't last very long because we were so happy with what we saw there. But when that thing's standing out in our shop, it was a whole new look to our shop, and just the leap of efficiency. I'd say it cut 60% of our finished sanding. Things that maybe set the HOMAG apart, they have awesome interface to control, very user-friendly. Things like the calipers, just awesome technology behind it that I knew pretty quickly that this was a machine we wanted to invest in.